it's Lynette here, and thank you for joining me today. So today I've come on, not really kind of looking 100%, but I thought I'll just quickly pop on and film this box. It is the Glossy box, and it's the 10 years of beauty box, so from 2011 to 2021. Now it's actually a really pretty box, and I do like the style of it with the glitter balls and everything like that. So anyway, I've already opened this box because I've seen quite a few spoilers, and oh, I don't know what variation it is because I threw my box in the bin. However, from last month's fiasco, I don't think the variations really make much difference. So I know a lot of people are still waiting to receive theirs. I only received my, I received an email from Glossybox saying that there was issues with dispatch, and then I received an email just recently saying it would be dispatched. So it only took a couple of days after they said it would be dispatched, which was quite good. But I know that a lot of people are still waiting on the dispatch email, so I just thought I'd pop on quickly. I've already opened it, so because I've seen some things online and I was like, oh, I really want to see what's in this box before I go on kind of camera and talk about it a little bit. So as usual, you get the little glossy leaflet which says the very best beauty products from every month for 10 years. And you get the little leaflet that tells you a little bit about it, and on the back it gives you the sneak peek. Now the sneak peek for this month was Elemis. Now I could actually sell Elemis, I have so much, so we'll just go through it. You get a voucher for the Ocean Spray pink cranberry juice, pink, red and white cranberries. So there you go. I'm not a fan of cranberry juice, to be honest with you. So it was wrapped up a wee bit nicer. So they always do have the little touches there with the box, the tissue paper and the ribbon matching. Now I did go through a phase where I saved the ribbons in the paper, and I thought, oh, it'd be really nice, you know, I'll pass it on or use it, but I ended up doing a declutter and got rid of most of it, and the wormies. But this month the wormies are all kind of holographic paper to celebrate the box. So I'm just going to get this out of the way. There is a freebie in the box, so the box felt quite heavy, which I thought was quite a good sign, but it is a freebie. Well, I hope it's a freebie. Don't think it's one of the items. No, it's not. Everyday Goodness Ocean Spray. So that's the reason why there is the money off voucher, because there is a can in here for you to try. So it is quite heavy. I think it must be yeah, 330 mils. So it's quite heavy. So if your box feels heavy, that is why. So the sneak peek is in here. It's the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Aging. There we go. So that is worth about £30. But this will go directly to Brandon, who always nicks my spare Elemis because he loves it. The perks of living at home, isn't it? So I've opened this one and done a really bad job. I couldn't get it back in, so I can't pretend I haven't opened this box and know what's inside it. So the box was really pretty. It was the Steve Laurent box, and it says Celebration Edition and the Birthday Edition. So they've done that, I think, for Glossy box, and it has mica and kaolin, magnesium, all the usual things that you see, cruelty free, which is good. And I'll open it up. I love the colour of the packaging. It's kind of like a lilac-y colour, although I'm not sure the colour comes off that well on the camera, but I will open it up for you. So there we go. So I have got lots of palettes. It actually looks darker on screen than it really is in real life. I've got lots of palettes that are this colour, so I will be putting it in my giveaway box, so I won't use that. However, I've just stuck my fingerprint on the mirror. Oh, it's fine, there's plastic on the mirror, that's fine. So if you get my sticky fingerprints on it, if you win the giveaway, I haven't swatched it. I'm always kind of putting the hand sanitizer on, and I don't know if that's making my hands extra sticky, but I think I'll send it to you minus the box because I can't get it back in the box for love nor money. Okay, so what is next in the box? So there was a Flexitol leaflet for boots. Buy one get second one half price. So there's a little Flexitol sample, so that's just a little giveaway that's been thrown in there. there is a Lottie London blush. So, oh, it's an ombre blush. I can't speak. It's an ombre blush. Now, you won't probably see that too well. Can you see that there? Yeah, it's an ombre blush. And it's called Haze. So that's actually really, really pretty. However, I don't need any more blushes. So I'll pop that in my giveaway box. I love the packaging though, the hologram. That's really pretty. So no, I'm not keeping it because I don't need any more. And next there is a what was it? NCLA Los Angeles treatment. So rich, and it's a vitamin E infused cuticle oil. But it's got little stars in it, so I imagine that's why they thought this might be quite the thing. Yeah, they do move around. So there's little stars in there. It's a little cuticle oil. So I'm going to show you everything in the box, and then I'll talk a little bit about what's in the leaflet. And last but not least, this is a pet peeve for some people, and I do agree with them. This is quite a big bottle here, 236 mils, vegan, paraben and sulfate free, cruelty free microstem conditioner by Cell. Okay, so it looks like it's very, very kind of, it's got a feel of one of these more kind of upmarket brands, doesn't it? With the, you know, the, usually it's a glass bottle you would get it in, but the white labels. So apply shampoo to your hair from root to tip, then rinse out thoroughly. For best results, pair with our microstem shampoo. But this, this is bizarre. Apply our microstem conditioner to the ends of your hair, avoiding the roots. Right, so on one bottle it gives you directions for the shampoo and the conditioner. I thought I was losing it there. So if you're only using the conditioner, remember when you pick it up that it is the conditioner that you are using. So it says here it's a specialised stem cell hair formula containing a blend of hair strengthening and stimulating ingredients. Our unique 3-stage formula helps repair damaged hair cells and provides the ideal nutrients for thick, luscious hair. So I'm going to chat a little bit about what it says about it on the leaflet. I've never heard of it. www.cell.md. Makes it sound kind of medical, doesn't it? The MD part. I haven't closed my blinds properly. It's annoying me. So, what does it say about the Elemis? It says it's a deluxe mini and it's worth £30. So just for youthful, firmer skin, makes it feel more radiant. Award-winning anti-aging product, highly moisturising, yet ultra-light gel cream that quenches thirsty skin and increases hydration. The one thing that I don't like about Elemis is the fact that most of them don't have, or they don't advertise it, they don't have an SPF through them. I have one that I have got from Elemis now that has an SPF in it, but I always put an SPF on, even if my moisturiser has SPF in it, don't get me wrong, but I do like to kind of the double protection. But anyway, that's going to Brandon, so he'll be happy with that. The NCLA, the cuticle oil, is full size, whatever that is. Here we go. That is full size and it is worth £13.80. As I say, I think I'll pop that in the giveaway because I do not need any more cuticle oil. And it says birthday cake, which is probably why they've picked it for the box with the little stars. The Steve Laurent is a full size. The palette here, and this is worth £23. Hey ho, there you go. Celebration eyeshadow palette. It says here, use an eyeshadow primer before crafting your look to help make these colours pop. They give you top tips for everything. So for the Elemis, it says warm up your cream in your hands first before applying to your skin. So I always do that as well. The NCLA, used twice a day to nourish and soften cuticles. Lottie London, this is worth £5.95. And the Microstem hair thickening conditioner is apparently worth £26. So if you tot up the prices of everything in this box, it's not actually a bad box. So, you know, £30 for the Elemis, £26 for the conditioner, £23. It's, yeah, RRP relates to full size product. Anyway, so you know, it all totals up to be quite a decent amount of money that, you know, you're getting in terms of what's in the box. However, it's not really doing anything for me this month. Yeah, I will be actually cancelling Glossybox. I only picked it up again last month, and there was a hoo-ha last month over, you know, a highlighter and things like that. And this month there's issues with the dispatch. You know, I'm delighted to try a £26 conditioner. You know, but the stapler on, I've got so many like that anyway. I don't need the nail cuticle. The blusher I'm going to pop in a giveaway. The LMS is going to Brandon. So this is probably the only thing that I will be keeping from the box. So yeah, 1 to Brandon, 3 to giveaways. So yeah, overall, you know, it's a good box, but it doesn't really feel too birthday-ish to me. Although saying that, the Christmas one usually always has a shower gel in it, and people always complain about that, but I love shower gel and my saddle. So yeah, let me know what you think. I will try and see if I can find the variation for you, but yeah, a lot of people not happy about not receiving their box or their dispatch dates yet, but I got my dispatch date a couple of days ago. It said it would be delivered on Wednesday, but I've received it today, so I thought I would just pop on and show you what I got. Let me know below what you think, and if you've entered any of my giveaways, then you will be seeing some of these items popping into the giveaways. Anyway, got to go. I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys, take care.